Paul's Kitchen. This is Chef Paul. With me today is
Chef Amy.
And
Chef Alex.
Welcome to Paul's Kitchen. Before we begin, please hit that like, share, subscribe button, or Amy is going to beat me with a 10-foot Lawrence.
No. Come on.
That's the most disgusting thing I've ever heard in my life. But she's Dutch, so you can see the look in her eyes here. She's really mad. Anyways, so today we're going to be making some hot chicken sandwich, and it's going to be good. It's going to be tasty. Amy, what do you think?
Yeah, it'll be good.
Have you ever had one, Alex?
No, I haven't.
Well, Terho, I know you're a little, you yourself was a little bit, like I really want some hot chicken the other day. Like you were talking chicken sandwiches, and I was thinking, yeah, you know what, we could do hot chicken, but I don't want to.
I've had fast food hot chicken sandwiches, but never homemade.
Yeah, and someday we will. It's really good. But we're not going to do that today. But we are going to do hot chicken sandwiches. Caro, if you're a little bit, you want to make something like that, it's actually much easier to make, and it's really good. And you know what? I think this is good enough.
And the best part is you don't have to deep fry it.
Yeah, absolutely. And you know what? You don't really have to deep fry anything. No matter what anybody tells you, you really don't. So first off, we're going to start off with our chicken. So, Amy likes chicken, Alex likes chicken, we all like chicken. Or am I mistaken?
No.
No, I like chicken.
So what we're going to do here is we're going to take the chicken, and I'm going to use chicken breast. If you want to use something a little bit more fatty, go ahead. You can use chicken thighs. The reason that I don't like... Amy, could you do me a favor and put a little bit of oil in the pan, please?
Yeah.
The reason I don't like chicken wings, and it's very simple, chicken wings is kind of a lot of bone and not enough meat. I'm sorry guys, but I kind of feel like if you're going to, if you really want a good meal, you're better off getting thighs if you want something a little bit more fatty.
That's the thing with chicken wings. You end up paying like $20 at a restaurant for wings, and it's mostly just bone.
Yeah. I mean, like, that's why when Amy and I serve chicken wings, we actually serve chicken fries.
Thighs, yeah.
Because it just gives you more meat. Now, chicken breast, this offers you a little bit more... This offers you a lot more meat, but it also gives you a lot more. A lot less fat on it, which is good. So sometimes you really got to watch out for your fat consumption too, right? I mean. If you're eating chicken, it implies that you're looking for a little bit of a healthier solution. So, you know what I mean?
If you don't like chicken, turkey's a good substitute.
Yeah, turkey's a great substitute. I mean, Christmas is by, so I mean, how many of us have leftover turkey? We don't, but I'm sure there's lots of people do. It's like, oh, I don't want turkey again tonight. I don't want turkey again tonight. Well, I mean, there's something you can do with that. Hot turkey sandwich.
And if you go to the grocery stores now, I bet that turkey's probably on sale.
Yeah, they are actually. I don't know I'm ready to buy a big turkey again right now, but...
No.
But if that's what you're into, then you can. Now, because this is chicken, we're not going to use this for anything else. Because that would be bad.
You could get salmonella.
Yep. So I'm going to put Amy to work here in a minute because she's going to be doing the cooking of the chicken. Why? Because I'm going to get the gravy going. So Amy and I are pretty good for sharing things. So, she's really good that way. All right, so I'm going to start cooking this. We're going to put this on medium. And I'm going to use some smoldering applewood, one of Amy's favorite spices.
Yeah.
She absolutely loves this. I'm going to put a little bit of red pepper, crushed red peppers. It's going to give a little bit of heat, but not really a whole lot. And Amy, this is cumin, not coming.
Mm.
Then I'm going to put in some turmeric. Turmeric's really good for you, by the way. If you're suffering with arthritis, Terho, this is important for you, my friend. You should always have a supply of this because it is amazing. It does help with arthritis. I can't tell you how many times this has saved me. Our roommate's from India, so this is something she's really into. I almost kind of feel like if she doesn't have turmeric, then she's not ready to cook.
Mm.
Then we're going to put in some smoked paprika and onion. It's an amazing spice. Then some cardamom. Why? Because I want to. Do I need any other reason?
No.
No.
Yeah, it is an Indian spice, but we can use it too. So we're going to take this here and we're
It already smells really good.
going to mix this so that we get this. And where's my black pepper?
I don't know.
Right here. And of course my black pepper, you can't have that. Okay, so Amy, do me a favor, my dear,
Yeah.
and
Cook that.
cook that for me, please.
Okay. I can do that.
Now I'm going to start working on the gravy. Oh,
Mm-hmm.
put a little bit of that in there, please.
Okay.
And we're putting plum sauce with the chicken. Okay, so for the gravy, we're going to make a mushroom.
How much is that good?
Yeah. And we're just going to give this a rough chop. It's not a big deal what it looks like. And I'm just going to use half the package. I don't need all of it. So I'm going to transfer this into my pot. Now I'm going to leave this right here because Amy's going to have to put up some potatoes and some onion and carrots very soon. Because we kind of want to have something with this. Now, I was going to make homemade gravy, and Amy was, no, I want some Swiss chalet gravy. I have to have my Swiss chalet gravy.
Yeah.
And it's like, you know what, sometimes you just have to shut your mouth and please your wife, or, you know, the way it is. This is what she insisted, not what I did. So I'm going to try to cook this out the way that makes me happy. Apparently can't do a lot with it because this don't add water.
No, you don't add water to it. Right?
Yeah. But I am going to add mustard. Now, if you don't use a whole thing of mushrooms in yours, put it in Tupperware. Don't just put a little bit of wrap over this and trust it's going to be alright. It's not going to be alright.
No, it won't.
The wrap's going to go out and it's going to cause a problem. You don't want to do that. It's going to create a mess. So when you're doing your gravy, take a moment and stir everything together. If you just put mustard on there, and if you don't stir it, then what's going to end up happening is someone's going to get a fade taste of mustard instead of having gravy.
Yeah.
It's not going to taste so good. If you're going to buy the type of gravy that Amy's just bought, read your labels, because some of it is going to have a lot of sodium. This one was actually the lowest sodium that they had, so it's not that big of a deal. And honestly, this is actually a really quick and easy meal. We're going to fry excuse me. We're going to fry up some onions and potatoes, and then we're going to boil some carrots. It's going to take us a few minutes to peel them. It takes about 20 minutes to boil carrots to get them all the way through. It doesn't take very long for the potatoes and the onions. Those are pretty quick. But that's going to be next. I don't think you really want to watch us do that. Those are more of a side dish. That's what we're choosing to have. You can choose to have something else. Not a big deal. Choose what you want to have. You could have carrots. Whatever you want.
You could have corn.
Corn, yeah, whatever you want. So what you want to do is take your time and make what you want. But the two most important things here is your chicken, and you want to make sure this is all the way cooked through. And then your gravy. Yes, I unfortunately had to use Amy's Swiss Chalet. It is what it is. I can't do much about it, but
Really?
Those are the two important things. So when this is all cooked and we're ready with the carrots and our potatoes and onion, we're going to be back and we'll continue then. So just hold on. Welcome back. So we're ready to finish up here. The fries are going to take a little longer. Amy wanted to put them in the air fryer and they were taking forever. So it is what it is. So I'm going to make Amy's and be done with some of it. We can just serve fries when they're done because I don't want to wait all day. I don't even really want fries anyways. So we're just going to put some chicken on here. Don't have to put a whole lot.
You just want enough that it covers the bread.
Yeah, just want enough to cover things. You don't need a whole lot.
Hun!
What? That's some gochujang sauce.
That's gochujang sauce.
That is gochujang sauce. Grab another piece of bread. This is how they make the sandwich part of it here. Squeeze that together here. And I just got a ladle. Let me pour some of this on here. Now you think this is going to be a typical sandwich where you just pick up and eat it. No, you got a lot of gravy on it. You don't.
You gotta eat with a knife and fork.
Gotta eat it with a knife
Yeah.
and fork. There you go, Amy. So let's see what Amy thinks. And of course, she eats the bread without a piece of chicken on it.
Well, because there's no chicken on that piece. There we go, I think. Yeah. Mmm.
Really flavorful.
Yeah.
This is going to taste really good. Amy's really going to love this. You guys are going to love this too. I'm telling you, this is really super high quality. It's really great. Try it out. Let me know what you think. So please hit the like, share, subscribe button. Thanks for tuning in. Have a great day.